Hello everyone, welcome to the best product review channel on YouTube. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we analyze hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guide and check out the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, without any delay, let's get started.
In this video we break down the top 5 best coffee grinder for pour over you can buy right now. We made this list based on performance, features of the product, value for money, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the coffee grinder for pour over on the market this year. Before we start, I have a question for you guys. Which coffee grinder are you currently using, and which one you recommend? Let me know in the comment. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Spoli electric coffee grinder. With simple stainless steel conical burr design, this electric burr mill features total ease of use with a 1-button operation and a 12-cup capacity. It has 19 precise grind settings, that's given the customized grinding texture that keeps the natural flavor of any coffee beans. This coffee grinder fairly uniform grinding with a high level of grind size control. With a removable upper conical burr and included brush to clean easily. The safety lock system ensures grinder works safety and the indicator light will flash according to different working states. For details about coffee making, let's watch more. Our second best coffee grinder for pour over is Baratza Encore coffee grinder. Baratza grinders is perfect choice who's win Specialty Coffee Association award. Engineered with 40mm commercial grade conical burrs that help you explore the extensive range of brew methods. It make quality parts that's ardent alloy steel burrs manufactured in Liechtenstein, Europe, plus a powerful DC motor. This combination creates a consistent grind and durability to ensure the longevity users have come to expect from the Baratza brand. For more details, let's watch more. Number 3 in our list is KitchenAid KCG0702CS coffee grinder. Designed for the ultimate performance and reliability, the KitchenAid burr grinder uses stainless steel burrs to grind coffee consistently at any of the 15 available grind levels. The glass bean hopper holds up to 7 ounces of whole beans that you can quickly grind for French press coffee, automatic drip coffee makers, espresso or anything in between. With powerful electric motor, burrs turn at 450 revolutions per minute, minimizing frictional heat buildup and preserving flavor. It is durable and easy to wipe clean, also includes burr grinder, handheld scoop and burr cleaning brush. For details KitchenAid, let's watch more. Fourth recommendation in our side is Hamilton Beach Coffee Grinder. This Hamilton Beach Grind coffee grinders are ideal for precision coffee grinding, giving you the exact texture you want every time. Well-defined fineness settings, perfect results, and clear cup markings ensure meticulous measuring. A Hamilton Beach coffee grinder is easy to use and clean. They offer hands-free operation with auto shutoff as well as hideaway cords for easy storage. Some coffee bean grinders even include a stainless steel grinding chamber that comes out for easy cleanup in the dishwasher. Let's watch more. Last in our top 5 best coffee grinder for pour-over is KitchenAid BCG 111 coffee grinder. The KitchenAid blade coffee grinder makes quick and simple work of grinding beans for up to 12 cups of coffee. It has markings on the inside of the stainless steel bowl indicate suitable bean levels for 4, 8, 10 or 12 cups of brewed coffee, and the clear top cover slides on for one-touch operation. For making your marking cup of coffee, it allows for operation at the touch of a button that's simply pushed down on the cover to begin grinding and released to stop. The clear cover also allows you to easily see the consistency of grinds. For details about coffee making, let's watch more. Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product videos, we randomly provide special giveaway offer. So, please subscribe Best Pick list for more product deal and guide on your feed. You can also check description for product link and updated prices. Happy shopping!